The information presented in this program is provided for educational purposes only and should not be used as investment, tax, or legal advice. Please consult an advisor before implementing any of the specific ideas discussed.
Hello, Suzanne here. Today I'm going to talk about turning 65 and retiring. So congratulations on retiring. But the question is, what do I need to do? How do I sign up? What do I do? I don't know what to do. Okay, so 3 months before your 65th birthday, you can sign up for Medicare. I'd recommend doing it about 3 months before, therefore everything kind of falls in place. So you can either go out to Medicare.gov and sign up for Medicare. You're going to want Part A and Part B through the federal government if you're retiring and you're losing your group health insurance. You can do it online, Medicare.gov, or you can go to a local Social Security office and sign up for your Part A and Part B. About, I would say, 2 to 3 weeks after you sign up, you'll receive a letter in the mail from Social Security that says you've enrolled into Medicare Part A and B, and your plan, your A is going to start XYZ date, your B is going to start XYZ date. Remember, your Part A and your Part B always start the first of the month you turn 65. So if your birthday is July 25th, your Medicare Part A and Part B is going to start July the 1st. Always the first of the month you turn 65, unless your birthday is the first day of the month, and it always starts 1 month prior. So if your birthday is July 1st, your Medicare is going to start June 1st. So once you get your Medicare card in the mail, typically I advise you to call an advisor, have them sit down, look at your specific needs, what type of plan that you would like, whether it be Medicare Supplemental, Medigap, and a prescription drug plan, or a Medicare Advantage plan. Feel free to share this video with any of your friends. Thanks.